Vulnerable groups, in particular young people, in an effort to curb new HIV infections. This as the country recorded more than 140,000 new infections in people as young as 15 in 2014. A recent UNAIDS report estimates that there were over 2 million new infections in 2014 globally.
Rise, Act, Protect, a global call for action as the world commemorates AIDS Day. South Africa remains the global epicenter for the epidemic, tirelessly working to achieve the goal set by the WHO of an AIDS-free generation by 2030. From expanding the distribution of antiretroviral treatment to ending mother-to-child transmissions.
Today I stand in front of the world, not shaking, and to thank the government of South Africa for rolling out antiretrovirals.
South Africa has been lauded for huge strides made in the rollout of HIV treatment. An estimated 3.2 million people are now on ARVs, 1.5 million of them in KwaZulu-Natal.
We should continue to demonstrate, like we did at the global level, double the number of people on treatment every 5 years. If we manage to do it again, even one time more, we'll be able to achieve our goal.
But challenges of social stigma and discrimination remain. The World Health Organization says this makes people reluctant to get tested. Of greater concern, however, is the alarming rate of new infections amongst young women.
Up to 2,300 young girls, as Mr. Michel Sidibe said, are becoming infected per week. And this affects young girls of ages 15 and 24. We cannot carry on like this. This has to come to an end. We've got to bring this figure down, and it must start with the adults. The sugar daddies must stop molesting our children. We therefore mount a highly visible national campaign to decrease new HIV infections, particularly in this group.
Ramaphosa says the country needs to double its efforts to ensure that all South Africans know their status. Ayanda Mhlongo, SABC News, Port Shepstone.
At the Nelson Mandela Bridge in Johannesburg.